Here we are at Openseas.io. If you want to create NFTs, make NFTs or sell NFTs, especially in some of the popular marketplaces like Openseas and Rarible, we are going to need a wallet for that, especially an Ethereum supported wallet. Openseas accepts a lot of popular wallets that you can use, but the most popular one that is used by users is the Metamax wallet. So I'm going to show us how to install and create a Metamax wallet that you can use for your OpenSea account. So here we are at Openseas.io. I'm going to go to the wallet section. As you can see, Metamax is the most popular one and it is at the top. So to connect or create a Metamask wallet, you can actually click on the link there and it will take you to the metamask.io. If you are not using for OpenSea, you can actually just go to metamask.io to install your Metamask wallet extension. So here at Metamask, you can see that we have the option to download either for a Chrome, iOS or Android. But since we are using for a desktop and I am using a Chrome browser, I'm going to just leave that at Chrome and scroll down and install the wallet extension. So I'm going to click on install Metamax for Chrome. And it's going to take me to the Chrome web store where I'm going to install the wallet extension by clicking on add to Chrome, and the pop-up comes up asking me if I want to add the Metamask extension. I'm going to click on add extension, and then while you wait, you're going to notice that a download of the extension is occurring. It's going to take around 20 MB to get it downloaded and installed. Once it is downloaded and installed, I'm going to see a pop-up telling you that Metamask has been added to Chrome. And if you would like to turn on sync, I'm going to click on turn on sync. Now the wallet has been installed. Then it will take us to this new tab where it tells us welcome to Metamask, and you're going to click on the button to get started. Here you see an option either to import an existing secret recovery phrase or to create a new one. At the left corner, if you have an already existing wallet, you can import the wallet, and at the right, if you don't, you can create a new wallet. For this tutorial, I'm going to click on creating a new wallet. Then it's going to show up some of the terms which I'll click on agree to that. Then I'm going to create a 8-character password for the wallet. Then I'm going to repeat that. Click on the terms and condition radio button. Then click on the create button. Then on this tab, you can press next. Then here is where it gets important. Your secret recovery phrase. The recovery phrase are very important, and it is one that you should not disclose to anybody, because with this phrase, you can actually get access to this account, and if anyone gets hold of this phrase, they can actually get access to your Metamask wallet. You're going to click on that to review, but I'm going to cover up some of the phrases on mine. It's around 8 to 12 words or phrases. You're going to copy that and keep a copy somewhere. Then Metamask will ask you to confirm this secret recovery phrase which you just copied. So you're going to select them in order as they appeared on the freeze from the first to the last. Once you've selected that in the correct order, you can click on create, and then you see a congratulating message. And once you click on that, you have created your account, your wallet successfully. So you can see we have an Ethereum wallet here, and we have the address at the top. You can click to copy your address, which you can send to people to receive or to set up your accounts. So once we have our wallet done, let's head back to Openseas so that we can add the wallet extension onto Openseas. So you're going to go to the extension tab at the top. You can see we have a Metamask there. Once you click on that, the Metamask comes up, and to link it to Openseas, you can go to the three dots at the top and go to the connected site. It will tell you that this account is not connected to any site. You are going to click on manually connect to current site, and you can connect that. To take a minute, and it's connected. You can now head back to Openseas and refresh. Now we will head to the profile. Once you click on the profile, it will require you to collect your wallet. We have already created and connected our Metamask wallet, so all we need to do now is to just click on the Metamask icon. If you do that, you'll be redirected to this profile, and we've just created a new account on Openseas. You can see there is an unnamed profile. To make changes, you head over to the setting icon. The Metamask wallet extension will require you to sign to confirm that you want to make some changes to the profile. You're going to click on sign. And over here, you can make changes to your profile, like adding your name, email, and social media handles. We have our profile added. I'll just go ahead and make changes to the profile icon for now, and that will be it. I'm just going to select a profile image for my new Openseas account. And that's it for today, guys. Hope this was interesting and you've learned how to connect your Openseas Metamask wallet to Openseas. If you encounter any hookup, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I will make sure I address that. Have a nice day. Consider subscribing, like and share to your friends who might want to also create an account on Openseas. Enjoy.